Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is Weekly Contest 396 on Leetcode. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this contest. Yeah, I don't know what to say about this one. I am now under the 3,000 in rating, so hopefully I get it back, but it's not really a big deal. I don't care that much. I mean, it is just all about doing okay, doing well. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. I don't know that I'm working on anything specific. I think just maybe a little bit less sloppy, but people has been really fast lately. I feel like I'm not as fast as I can get away with anymore. But I'm also not going to try to speed myself up, because speeding yourself up is when you get into trouble sometimes. Maybe I'll talk about that another time, because they have 10 seconds and I should go. But yeah, hit all the buttons, hit the like button, subscribe, and join me in Discord. Let me know what you think about this one. And remember, the explanations will be in its own video, so check that out. And let's get started. No double prompts today. Oh my. Why can I select this? Okay. It's not done yet, but I forget which code is alpha, but okay, fine. Wow. This is so easy to get wrong. We'll see. True, false, false. Let's see. I don't even know how to test this. Whatever, YOLO. Okay, whew. That one is scary, to be honest. Okay, what am I doing? So the max number of times it appears. Okay. 1, 3. anagram of some string T. Concatenation of anagrams of, okay. What does that mean? I mean, a lot of people submit and got wrong, so I don't think this is straightforward. What is a concatenation? Minimum possible length. Anagrams, okay. So it has to be a prefix. Can I do binary search? I don't think this is right, but that's fine. Let's binary search a little bit. Is it fast enough? Yeah, it is. Okay, fine. Okay. It's not quite as easy, is it? Oh, whatever. This is good, then we try a longer one. It's bad, we try a shorter one. Not mid, Larry, P of mid. Okay. Two, 4, that's not right. Because if it's good, we want to make it bigger, right? Okay. Why am I wrong? 4 is false. 4 should be true. Oh, what the? Am I doing this wrong? I am silly boy. 4-1. That's not right. Why is it not right? 2 is true. Oh, minimum. So if this is good, we actually want it to be smaller. If this is not good, then we will try a bigger one. That makes more sense. What am I doing? That's not good. Am I misunderstanding this problem? It's just a prefix, right? One works. Well, does it though? One does work. The hidden case is going to kill me. Usually it's pretty obvious, but maybe not in this case. This is 2, right? What am I missing? Am I misunderstanding this? Minimum possible. Right, and n is what am I doing wrong? Oh, this isn't binary searchable, is it? I am dumb. Okay, then maybe that's just it. I am just being dumb. Well, no, don't delete everything, but it goes up to it's not binary searchable. But what is the case where it's not? Because if it's prefix of, because if it's, what was my 4? No, there's too many factors to do it with it's not binary searchable. Why would binary searchable? Is it? Okay, so no, this is definitely not right. It's binary searchable seems weird. It's not binary searchable. Why is that a hidden case? Do they expect it to be? I don't think it's binary searchable. I don't know why I didn't think about it though. I'm just looking at the highly composable numbers. 128. 128 times this is a little bit too slow though. Maybe. I don't know. Well, I guess we can try it. Right, so that would be the answer, but what if I have I have to get like a so the biggest number is like 8. Is it something like this? That's pretty fast actually. So I guess maybe we'll give it a try. I don't know. Let's do one more thing first. $128. Okay, fine. If they think it's fast enough. YOLO. I thought it was binary search, to be honest. I really thought it was. I mean, yeah, okay. Focus on this one. We'll talk later. Silly Larry. How many people got that one? 388. I guess if it's a folder, mod. Yeah. I guess if it was a folder, people would get it. I just didn't think it would be that easy, to be honest. Okay, focus. Cost 1, cost 2. Choose index I from nums and cost 1. So increase 1, choose 2, and cost 2 is the cost for choosing 2 of them. And we're trying to minimize the cost. Okay. It's a DP and it's pretty big. So if it's DP is kind of tricky. First thing we should do is sort because it doesn't change anything. Do you always okay, so we cannot subtract. How am I doing anyway? Focusing on the wrong things. Wait. Someone got in 10 minutes. I think it's doable. It just, I don't know. Cost 2 seems weird, right? Because basically, if cost 2 is greater than 2 times cost 1, or if it's, even if it's equal to, then we just do, total is equal to 0, total add. Right. Okay, so then now the other one is cost 2 is cheaper, so we're going to add 2 at every time. Of course, it's going to be too big to do anything. Of course. Oh, this one I should also just do 1, right? Cost 2 is greater than or equal to. Then we just do the 1. Why is this returning that then? Oh no, it's the other way, that's why. Cost 2 is less than. So then we always want to do cost 1. This is the same thing as that thing that Josh always talks about. Well, he talks about it once, but which is that this is doable, but well, if it's doable, I haven't finished it yet. Basically, do you always get to the max, or is it sometimes worth going to the max plus 1? That's the tricky case now, because no, if cost 1 is really expensive, you could do cost 2 and change the parity. So that's the difference. But okay, so that means that you either go to max or max 1, right? So then maybe something like and you have to take the min and then mod. That's the hard part. Well, I mean, that's not the hard part, but that's the hard part of this line. Okay. And now what if you have more than, if one of them was more than half or whatever? I feel like this is just known. I struggle with this one every damn time because I know this one, but apparently not well enough. But that's the one where you have a queue. Okay, and then now this first order. What's that thing with? What is that problem? I'm trying to think. Right. If this is greater than total, then we have to do something funky here. That's the gap, and then okay. Well, then now, then you have to do the cost 1 anyway. I think. Maybe not actually, because that is that case where this may not be enough. We just keep going. Do math later. Okay, fine. So that's going to be the interesting case. I need to think about that later. Maybe. What's it? Cost. Okay. And then otherwise, now you have this thing. Which is the same as how do I do this again now? trying to find my last problem that I did. Wait, what am I doing? No, that doesn't matter, because that means that now we're trying to get to max. We're trying to get to max, then that means that, yeah, okay. Then it is just, that's the number that we need to increment, right? So then that is just total 2 times cost 2 plus total mod 2 times cost 1. Wait, what am I doing? Assuming that that other thing is not true. Right. I mean, there are a lot of things with this problem, so I think this is not right. But let's see if it works for examples at least. Assert force, okay, that's fine. How do I do this when it's assert force? Well, then okay, let's just do it the dumb way, which is to say, okay, if the total, then that means that how many excess do we have? Okay, so yeah, other is equal to total minus array of 0, right? Because that's the max number. And then now, min of, yeah, min, okay, fine. Pairs, extra is equal to 0 minus pairs. And then we just return pairs times cost 2 plus extra times cost 1. So this isn't going to be right, but at least it gives us something. 1564, that's fine. Oh yeah, this is, I didn't do it right, but what I meant is maybe something like this. Yeah, so this is clearly wrong. You don't want to do that. You just want to do, you want to do one all the time. So I think that's the idea. Right. I think this is right. I'm trying to think whether that is true. I think that's true though. I'm just being too dumb on it. Okay, so this is the case. What we want is actually just keep on going. How do I do it? So if I do 2, this will gain 1, right? So that means that the other cost 1 is going to be equal to the number, so you gain 1 by you gain 1 by whatever, and then the other one is having cost 1 is equal to cost 2 times n minus 1. And then now do this again. What? 26. Oh, because it thinks it's non. Oh, because I should not manipulate this. But okay. Yeah, it's just 198. All right, YOLO submit. I also forgot to mod stuff, so I think I was just really. No, I think that's fine actually. Okay, Did I not test the example? Oh, okay, that's just a stupid wrong answer then. But, because that's just example. How did this happen though? Cost 1 is just equal to cost 2 times n minus 1, which is 1, right? Because, no, it has to, n has to be greater than, has to be greater than or equal to 2 for this to gain. That's a silly mistake. Okay. Still wrong though for some reason. I mean, this is just example 1, but why is this wrong then? Did I just... Okay. Oh, n is n minus 1 is equal greater than 2. Because you have the other extra ones. Okay. I am Dumbo. But alright, let's give it a submit again. Maybe this is a 10 wrong answer case. That's okay. The first one was a dumb one though, but maybe hopefully this one will be a little bit cleaner. Or like I actually learned from it. A lot of people got wrong answers here. That's okay. Maybe. Okay, 114. Do I have a notebook? My answer is 25. Expected is 20. So that is going to be a 14, 1, 1, right? Alright, well let's take a look real quick. Because I think it's something like this. Yeah, so you could see that it minimizes here. So can we do a binary, well, ternary search? Is that the idea? 11. 5 is just 6, right? Okay, let's do a ternary search. Yeah, okay. Right is equal to, I don't even know, to be honest. Maybe, I think max times 2 maybe should be right. I don't know. Right. Something like this. This is the case, then Yeah, okay. Oops. And now, okay. What we want is not this, but yeah, the way I set this up is way dumb, but nonetheless. Okay. We got the answers here. YOLO. Huh. This is not the input though, right? Then that's fine. Expect output 1, expected 2. Cost 1. Cost 1 is 2. I wonder if this thing messes things up, to be honest, but okay. Well, it can't cost 1. So that doesn't even make sense. Huh? Yeah, why is it doing that? Also, I'm just dumb. I kind of did the binary search and I just ignored it. That shouldn't change things though, but not for this case anyway. Okay. This is 1 0 or 0 1. You want to change one number is 3, right? So why is it giving me 2? Is that nums? Oh yeah, it should be right. I think. Do I terminate early? Somewhere? Oh, is this thing? Oh, because cost 2 is too expensive, so we just use nums 1. Oh, this is just dumb. Cost 1. I am making a lot of silly mistakes, to be honest. Even like that is not even like I have 2 wrong answers that are just like really silly. I mean, this is probably gonna be wrong, but that's fine because at least I'm figuring out something. Okay. 174. I'm returning 174. Expected 36. Why? Tell me why. Am I running my ternary search right? It's been a while. Does this fix it? It does fix it. So I was just running my ternary search incorrectly. A lot of silly mistakes. I mean, there are more. So I don't know. This is a disaster. 47. All right. I mean, at least we're getting somewhere. So many wrong answers. It's gonna be a disaster. Okay. Why? Oh. Well, I mean, this is why. It's not ternary searchable. I thought it would be ternary searchable. What makes it not totally searchable? 2. Oh, it's because no. It's because of the parity, right? So we have to do one ternary search for the odd numbers and one for the even numbers. Is that it? I mean, I'll buy it. Just 147, 47. Where is 47? Is 47 actually even in here? 36, 39, 42, 45, 49. So that's not even. Oh no, I'm looking at the wrong thing. Anyway, that's from the previous form. So I have to do this. But because odd even parity has different things. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, fine. Right. I am just being very dumb today. I have like 5 wrong answers on this. And 3 of them are just stupid. Okay, fine. I should print it. Yeah. Focus. Enforce the evenness, and then now, oops. Well, this is true. Right. Oh, what I want is actually 4. Was it 47? Okay. The other, ooh, 6 is wrong. Why? Why though? Almost submitted, but this is 6 because we have the top. We're trying to make it to 5. So okay, that's fine. Oh, because 0 doesn't exist in this case. No, does that make sense? I'm just not a smart boy. What am I looking at anyway? Oh no, I'm looking at this one. 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm looking at this one. We want this to be 6, right? Yeah. So that. Oh no, we want it to be 5. Ooh, it's not 5 because we keep on incrementing, maybe. No, we have 5 here. Why is that wrong? Five will return 6. Oh, because if it's equal, if it's no, we always trend smaller. Yeah, this is rough. It's odd, right? Yeah. So 5 is true. So why is it not giving me 6? Oh, I'm being dumb. I'm being dumb. I'm being dumb. Oh my. Because I'm resetting the thing in this loop that I got lazy about. Alright, 47 looks right. I don't know the other ones anymore. Oh, I'm never gonna get it right. 106 is just really wrong though, because expected it should be higher. How? How did I get 106? How did I get 106? 61 or 62, alright. $118 is what we want, but why is 61, 62 not right? This is 60. I'm just really bad today. So I think this is pretty doable, but I'm just not doing it right. It's I mean, I'm duping it, so it doesn't even make sense, but okay, fine. Okay, let's say this is the case. What am I pointing here? 106 is the cost, we're trying to get 61, so we have 50, 42, 9, 6, right? What is the cost here? 2 and 18, so we definitely really want to do the so it goes into the special case for sure, and it costs, oh, this doesn't gain only 1, this gains a lot more. I messed up here. Okay. So then now it gains so it gains, so there's 3 of them, you gain 1. There's 4 of them, you gain 2. Oh yeah, huh. So that means that actually you, for this one, you gain. I thought I could just do it this way, but I was very wrong. OC1 is OC1, and then that's the cost. And then basically now, every time you do one set of this, you gain n minus 2. So n minus 2 is going to be equal to so pairs we already do cost 2, that's fine. Extras, so extra over this is going to be the times. So then now this is this times plus okay, so now this is right again. I mean, I've submitted like 8 times already, so I don't know anymore. But what's another one? It's free. I mean, how many wrong answers do I have? I don't even know. I guess this is easier to check. 6 wrong answers. I mean, I guess an AC is an AC, but that is just this small. And 2 of those are like just dumb ones, right? Like they were in the exam, but I just didn't look clearly. I wish there was a thing that does it automatic for you. Oh, congrats on Remix and BetSim. I do want to. I mean, I wonder if there's an easier way. I mean, I don't know. Not to just. But yeah, congrats to Remix. Congrats to BetSim. Let's actually give a couple of shout outs before I go. But I mean, I guess that's it for the Pure Solve Q4. How many Pure Solve Q4? 80. And there's gonna be, and I have 6 wrong answers, so just a lot of silly mistakes. Or 7 wrong answers. I forgot this wrong answer I have on Q3. So this is going to basically put me in the bottom. Oh, well, I mean, at least I know I beat one person. Sorry, Penguin, CCC, ZZZ. But 12 wrong answers is kind of on par with what I'm doing. Yeah, I mean, at least 2 of them are kind of silly, but I mean, at this point, I don't even know that matters that much. In the sense that at least I got it. But I thought I saw. Oh yeah, there you go. Props to Aryan. A lot of people from the server did well. I'm happy for it. Happy to learn about this because the way that I did it, like, it's just by observation. But I actually don't know if there's a easier way. And the way that I did it, I don't know. Well, there are a couple. It's just a way. Like my code is very duct taped. Not gonna lie. I don't know. Like I don't. It's very unlikely that. I mean, this is a silly mistake. There are a couple of like wrong answers that are just like very silly. I think that's the thing that I find annoying about having 6 wrong answers. Even though it may not matter that much. A very sloppy contest overall. I don't know if 7 wrong answers is my career high, but. But so rating's probably not gonna look so good, but that's fine. I mean, I do wonder though. Like, I feel like there is a easier solution because the way that I did it is very and the way that I did it based on this, I suppose there is probably there's probably like a more analytical situation. Like there's so many these formulas that there's probably an analytical way of doing it. But And maybe I should just distribute this. I don't know. It should be that for sure, but give another submit anyway. Because it duplicates work. This technically it doesn't do anything, but it should make it a little bit cleaner. Or a little bit like whatever. I mean, my ternary search was also wrong, but yeah. I'm just Yeah, okay, I see. Sorry, I'm just talking to actually Lenny. Oh, that's him. So basically, I mean, that makes sense. Because basically, the idea here is that this we could redo the math on, right? So there's nothing linear about this. The only thing that's linear about this is that yeah. So basically, let's just say maybe we can optimize this, right? Pre-total is equal to sum of mx or the largest element minus x for x in nums. So then this is the sum of the pre-total, and then now then total will just be pre-total plus mx minus the max element times n, right? So then that is the only thing that keeps it linear. And then as a result of this, clean up. I have to clean this up. This is going to be mx minus the smallest element, which is num sub 0. And I think this is should still be good. Maybe not. Oh, I find where I reference oh. Oh, yeah. So that's the yeah. I just didn't really think about it. I was playing around with this. I had no confidence about this, but I'm just doing some optimizations. That is clearly wrong. So, let me. I'm upsolving this a little bit. What am I doing wrong here? This is the biggest element. This is the pre-total. This is the Let's take a look at this one real quick. Alright, so we can just use an assert. Right, so this is what we want, but clearly that's wrong. Oh, that's right, so maybe the big part is wrong, because then now array sub0 should be the biggest element, which is max right? Alright. So I'm up solving a little bit. I mean, this is a disaster contest, but I enjoy the problem. I don't feel like this. I feel like it's okay. Did I mess something up? Why is it so weird? Total. Oh, I am just being dumb because this is now. You renamed it, Larry. Come on. Okay. So then now, so that's the optimization that I missed, because then now if you could do this, then now we can maybe even get rid of this get odd, because now this is O of 1, then we can do something like this. I don't know if this is quite right, but nonetheless. And in theory, now we don't have to worry about the curve, right? So hopefully this is fast enough. Is it timeout? Did I miss it? Did I have something weird in here? No, but that's weird that that's timeout. The biggest number is 10 to the 6. So I didn't think it would time out, to be honest. But wow. I'm actually really surprised that this times out. Because this is just over 10 to the 6 is a million. Yeah, I don't know. I guess I did need the ternary search, but before I had like way worse complexity. Still not updated, but how many did I have? Iron fell off, I guess. But I mean, this is not gonna. I have so many wrong answers, and all these people have a lot of wrong answers too, but they did it faster. If only I subtract 2 wrong answers at least, then that would have been, I guess, not that much difference, to be honest, but. Yeah. I mean, these are very cheap operations. I'm kind of surprised this time's out. Well, okay. I should have, I don't get it. How come, how does this one and this doesn't? I mean, I don't know. I mean, luckily I always got a right answer, right? So it's not a big deal, but it's still like just so weird. Oh, this maxes it. It's no, it's fine. But yeah, I don't know. This is just a way weird. I mean, yeah, I don't know. Okay. Yeah, I mean, I think people just did C++. Is because this is kind of very tight for Python, to be honest. Doable but tight. Ternary search. I mean, we can look at the timings. Right? Like the ternary search is so much faster. Right? Well, this is the ternary search, and then this is the optimized ternary search. So I don't know. Like, how do we expect to optimize from this to this? I don't know. Right? Like, I don't know what the proof is for it. I mean, maybe the yeah, I don't know. Maybe there's an old one solution that people know, but I'm still mad props for to a remix and bets in for top 10. 2 people in the top 10 in my server. You know, I'm happy, proud of that. But yeah. Yeah. Oops. Anyway, I don't know. That's all I have for this one. That's all I have for this contest. He's back. This is a disaster. But I mean, I don't. Maybe I could have gotten it earlier, but I feel like it's okay. I mean, I think the wrong answers were the more silly one. Q3 was kind of weird. But I don't know. I don't know that there's yeah, I mean, I guess it is what it is. It is fast enough. I was surprised. I don't know why I thought it was binary search, but silly mistakes. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna call it a night to do the recordings. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about you know, this contest and all these things. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.